Here's the app called NetShort, Popular Dramas and TV. So you can just double click to install it. It's another app of these vertical TV shows you can enjoy. NetShort, Next Generation HD streaming platform where we offer exclusive vertical TV programming. Our goal is to change how you watch movies, allowing you to enjoy miniseries up to 1 minute long anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home or on the go, NetShort lets you watch the most popular miniseries, providing an immersive viewing experience. Join us today. So, exclusive personal theater, customize your experience. Let NetShort's customizable feature bring you a personalized viewing experience, exclusive originals, frequent updates. So, one of those apps where you can just enjoy it. Here is how it looks like. A lot of series. You can then see it as a TikTok feed. Then you have your list, and then you have profile. Then you have rewards, which you can earn rewards if you just sign in. You can get some rewards, push notifications, getting some rewards, and write a review on App Store. They don't have any promo codes or any invite codes, seems like that. So only if you're just doing some, small tasks, you can get these bonuses, and that's basically what it is. And then you can buy weekly VIP $30, super expensive, or then you can just buy coins. So yep, there you have it. So that's what it is, and so that's the app.